Hello. Today I'm going to be testing out the Pharmacy Luminous Serum Foundation. Got a sample of that. This is in warm beige. Don't know if it's gonna match me, so we're gonna do that, and then I'm gonna do a look with Makeup Revolution Patricia Bright palette. Let's do it. No idea what I'm gonna do, but let's do it. how's it going? So, this is very luminous. Like, I don't do luminous and dewy. This kind of feels a little wet still, if you were wondering. But I don't dislike it. I mean, it looks matte for the most part. But when they say dewy, they mean dewy. She dewy. But yeah. And for the eye look, I just wanted to do something a little more that I've done. Something kind of new, but something that I've also done. Plus, I wanted to see what the mattes did in that palette. So I know I've done this look somewhat before, but I just wanted to try it out. So, if you liked the video, leave a like. If you're new here, subscribe. I put up videos every Sunday at 2 Central Time. So if you want to come back next week, I'll be here. You can go ahead and watch some of the old videos that I've put out. And yeah. Let me know what you want to see in future videos. And I'll see you next week. Bye.